Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.